viewers, welcome to HF Organic Garden Tips. Here today we have a vermicomposting technique by using different models. As you can see, there are different types or models to use vermicompost for amending our soil. This is a plastic model using the different bucket size for preparing vermicompost. This one is a wooden block used for vermicomposting. As you can see, this is a liquid fertilizer made from the vermicompost. As you can see, we have different models for preparing vermicompost. We cover with the plastic sheets under, and we will prepare on by using different raw materials from different excretes, leftover of leaf, like that of the banana leaf, with the whole pseudo stem can be used, which is very succulent, very suitable for the red wiggler worms. As you can see, there are also dry materials used for vermicomposting, such as this, the cowpea or the leguminous plant, also the cow dung. Also we can use the maize stalk. The dry leaf can be also important for use of this vermicomposting. Also this raw material should be chopped into finer particles by using chopper. So let us see how this chopper turns these materials into finer and suitable for worm composting. As you can see, this one is a black gold. It is made from the red wigglers, which consume just these raw materials, and they try to give us within few days, in our case 25 days up to 40 days. You can see this is a vermicast, how it is black and very high in organic matter. It has essential nutrients, almost 18 types of nutrients. Let us look at the worms. These are the red wiggler worms, as you see. Let me show you. Look this. Yeah, they're hungry of these food items from different raw materials from our farm or from whatever weeds or excrete that can be decomposable. Let us search what is available. They have been 2 weeks. As you can see, they are consuming this excrete, different raw materials. How they are hungry. Then they have eggs, cocoon. Cocoon. This one just like yellow. So they are laying eggs. Every week they lay 3 up to 4 eggs. They multiply within 1 month. They replace the younger worms. Okay, that's converted for the plant growth. So for this, I will show you the steps to prepare vermicompost and
We have experience with our farmers. We are selling these worms as well as the vermicast for income generation and creating jobs for our students in our college. So let me show you the different ways you can make a business. Also, you can maintain our soil, also make our soil fertile, suitable for plant growth, well as save our nature. So fresh food can be produced by using this uh, type of composting. So I will show you different pictures, videos related to this type of composting. So you will share for everybody.